Good morning friends, this is Shyam Sharma and you're watching Techie Sam. Today we are doing unboxing and review of Bang & Olufsen headphone. This brand is very premium and is not that famous in India, but it is famous in Europe countries and US and Australia also. Other than India, this is famous brand. So we'll let you know about this brand. And the first thing, I bought this product from HP site. This product is 4K, but I got this product in just 4K along with my laptop. Actually, the thing is, when you go on HP site and you check out any NV series laptop or Spectre series laptop, you will be able to check out this product in just 4K. So that's a great thing. You can buy and you can claim your offers during HP festive offers on Diwali sale. So first thing, the doubt come in your mind whether this worth to spend 4K or 24K. So the thing is, you can spend 4K. I'll let you know on this video whether this is capable of whether this really worth spending 4K or 24K. So first I talk about the build quality of this headphone. The build quality of this headphone are pretty amazing. It stands out from the crowd. It is not only made up of metal but only made up of pure leather, not a genuine leather like we used to get on other branded headphone like a JBL or Bose. The second thing, the sound quality. The sound quality is stands out from the crowd. It's really amazing. You can literally see the vocals, bass, and the other beats. So it's a very separation in very nicely way. I don't know about that much sound technical terms, but the thing is, the driver in this which is used in this headphone are pretty amazing. As I can see, as I can able to see you, as I can saw give you the thing. This is made up of all pure leather, so it is really very comfortable in your head. It is not also comfortable, but it is also giving you pure fit in your head. So if you are running, if you are doing jogging, if you are doing any kind of activities, exercises, any cardio work, so you'll be able to plug this headphone and you can use it. And also, if your this headphone runs out from the battery, you can also plug the audio auxiliary jack aux cable, and you can also use as a wired headphone. So this is a good thing about it. And if I talk about the battery of this headphone, the battery is really amazing. The battery, you can if you charge in a week, it is good. So it will run in a week, so it's good. And second and fourth thing, if I talk about this headphone, which is like if you are going for jogging, running and all things, this headphone having a good quality of calling facility. So it is having a microphone which is having an electric omnidirectional microphone technology, which is used by the used by the Bang & Olufsen brand, which is really amazing. I was literally shocked when I took a call from my friend. Actually, my friend told me that this sound quality is the voice quality which I am able to hear from you, which is really nice, and like you are calling from directly from your phone, not using your headphone. So this is good. And if you are also having a doubt like whether this is having a noise cancellation also, so this headphone is also capable of noise cancellation facility. So this, as you can see, it is a on head headphone. So when you plug this headphone, you can set according to your head size like this way. So it's having a aluminum steel, so you can just make according to your head size and fit that properly on your head, so you can use it. So I'll let you know seriously whether it is capable of spending 4K or 24K. I'll be doing unboxing and will let you know how much, what products, what things along with this headphone we are getting, and several things. So do check out this whole video. Along with us, H4, the branding name is Bang & Olufsen H4 wireless over-ear headphone, pure design, and pure design. Here's the box. So here's the details. The price of this product is 24,999. As you can check in the box, the packaging is looking really nice, and as you can check the details in the back of the box, which is 24,999 INR price. So let's check the other details. Let's unwrap first what is in there and start the unboxing of this Bang & Olufsen headphone. So I'm opening it seal here. It's a little stiff. Let's me open. The logo here is Bang & Olufsen is black in color, so I have to first unwrap and figure out which side I have to open it. So I have to open the seal, and now the seal is open. It is little stiff. The packaging is looking really nice and very premium here. Our headphone, as you can see, its first impression is shiny and attractive in the first impression, and also build quality is also seems very well. It's made up of all metal aluminium. It's not only made up of aluminium but also pure steel and pure leather. Some others headphone we used to get that's a genuine leather and other quality of leathers, but here we are getting pretty much shiny headphone and pure leather, which is very premium quality. So its price is also the very premium. Cushions of this it seems like very comfortable. Let's side our headphone and check what is in the packages we are getting. Here we are getting two compartments. The packaging seems really well. The two compartments, first compartments, I'm opening it. Let's see what is there in the first compartments. Here we are getting first compartment, and we are getting accessories. So first accessories, let me open it for you, which is USB 2.0 charging cable, and the build quality is really looking very nice. Let's unwrap it first. It is a USB 2.0 charging cable, so you can plug the adapter and you can use it. It's a charging time, it can take around 2.5 hours to charge it, and it gives 19 hours playback in one charge go. So you can charge in a week and you can use it according to your capabilities and using charging time. So that's a thing. It's a good battery company is claiming, and headphones are looking very nice. This is a audio aux cable. Second accessories we are getting along with this headphone, you can use as a wired headphone, which is really cool things. I guess if it runs out from a battery by using this aux cable, you are capable of using as a wired headphone. And the second compartment we are getting some manuals. You can read it in multiple languages, so it's a very good thing. But these days nobody reads it. Everybody knows how can use it. So now let's see our headphone. What is there in the headphone? It's having a 3 buttons. Middle buttons are used for booting up our headphone, and also used for many functions, like you can use it for play and pause the songs. Also you can change the songs by double tapping it. If you are tapping it 3 times, then you can go to your previous song. So its features seems pretty well, and it's pretty well good. Let's check the spec of it finally. Previously the sound of this headphone are not that good, but when I downloaded the app, which is provided by the Bang & Olufsen, then I felt this is some good signature sound I am getting from it. You must download it from the App Store or iStore if you are using Apple phones or Android phones. So according to that, you can download a Bang & Olufsen headphone app. It's a so specs I'm talking about. It's a 24 gram weight. Its model number is Beoplay H4 headphone. So there are plenty models available from this Bang & Olufsen brand. It's a H4 Beoplay. It's a wireless over-ear headphone. It supports wireless Bluetooth 4.2 charging, and its AAC SBC codecs is also supported by this headphone. It's having audio cable, and it's having a 3.5mm mini jack capability. Material which is used are aluminium, stainless steel, leather, fabric, plastic, branded textile cord. So it's the things which we are here seeing it. It's a microphone having a one electric type omnidirectional cable, so it can take a good quality of calls, and the driver are dynamic. So all premium things are used here. So that's the thing from this. So you can take a good quality of calls here. if you take calls, you can don't able to compare your real calls and you by taking the call from this headphone. So this is the things you can get. Let's conclude the video. So it's a 4K INR. In 4K INR, the spec and the build quality of this sound is pretty amazing, which are getting really good in 4K price. So no other brand can give you such a premium feature in this price bracket. But if you are talking about 24K or 20K price for this headphone, I guess you should research more before buying this headphone, because in 24K I guess plenty of things are available in the market, so you can compare this headphone in 24K price brackets headphone. But in 4K price bracket, this headphone stands out from the crowd and it's be really amazing. You can check out definitely for in 4K if you are uh, planning to buy NV laptops or Spectre laptops. So in 24K it's a no doubtable, you can it's 24K, it's a doubtable, but in 4K it's really go on this deal. So that's it for this video. If you like this video, do check out and like and subscribe this channel for supporting me. Thank you for watching. Take care guys, bye bye and take care.